Have you ever listened to an AI voice and instantly knew it was fake? What if I told you that in less than 2 minutes, you can create voiceovers that sound almost human using ElevenLabs? Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, podcasts, or faceless content, this tool can save you hours of recording time. If you'd like to follow along, you'll find a link to ElevenLabs in the description below. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech step by step. Let's jump right in. Text-to-speech is one of the most popular features inside ElevenLabs. Simply type your script, choose a voice, and ElevenLabs turns your text into realistic speech within seconds. Let's see how it works. First, open ElevenLabs and click on Text-to-Speech. This is where you'll create your AI voiceovers. Next, choose a voice from the voice library. You can filter voices by gender, age, accent, and speaking style. For YouTube videos, I recommend choosing a clear and natural voice that matches your content. Once you've selected a voice, paste your script into the text box. Here's a quick tip. Write the way people actually speak. Use commas for natural pauses, and keep your sentences short for better results. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, ElevenLabs will create your voiceover. If needed, you can adjust settings like stability or similarity and generate again. Once you're happy with the result, click Download. And that's it. Your voiceover is ready to use in YouTube videos, podcasts, Reels, Shorts, or any other content. So why do so many creators use ElevenLabs? First, the voice quality sounds natural and human-like. Welcome to the future of content creation. With ElevenLabs, you can turn any text into a natural-sounding voice in just a few seconds. It doesn't have that robotic feeling that many AI voices still have.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a Gemini. I don't like long walks on the beach or pina coladas. I pretty much just like reading stuff that you type.
Second, it supports multiple languages and accents. Third, it's incredibly easy to use. Just type your script, choose a voice, and generate. And finally, it's perfect for YouTube creators, affiliate marketers, podcasters, educators, and anyone creating content at scale. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel, this tool can be a huge time saver. And that's how you can create realistic AI voiceovers using ElevenLabs text-to-speech. As you can see, the process is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. In the next tutorials, we'll explore voice cloning, dubbing studio, AI music, and other powerful ElevenLabs features. If you'd like to try ElevenLabs yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.